it's me, Safe4People, the British Tech Guru, with a gratuitous sawing video. If you will notice, I'm using a very small, very small circular saw, and the blade will go that far down only. So this is how I'm going to cut this piece of 4x4 with a, I don't know what size blade this is. It's quite small. Anyway, here we go. This safety gets in the way a lot. I think I might have gone a slight angle, but it works. There we go. Not bad. Seemingly a perfect cut, actually. I thought I was going at a slight angle, but no. That is smooth, smoother than a baby's bottom. Right. And that's how to cut 4x4 with a tiny circular saw.